Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been super long since I last uploaded a video. I have been receiving a lot of feedback from you all. Mostly it has been positive, and you all have come to share with me that how my videos helped you get through the interviews. Some of you were applying to some B schools and it helped you there. So today I am here with a popular topic that I've been asked about by a lot of you all, which how to make a product management case or a strong product management profile when you're applying to ISB, which is the Indian School of Business. I'm going to cover 5 main things in this video, and there is a special surprise for all of my subscribers and viewers, which is going to help you a lot in unlocking some great resources for cracking the ISB interview. So hold on till the last part of the video, or directly jump to that part if you don't have time and come back later to watch this, whatever floats your boat. So let's start with the video. The first thing I want to talk about is your content you put in the resume has to be in the product management buckets. When I say product management buckets, you have to show the work experience you have in customer research, analytics, stakeholder management, product development, software development, marketing, communication, influencing, go-to-market strategy, any kind of these buckets. If you can accommodate in your resume and you can classify your points in these buckets, then it's going to help you a lot in standing out for a PM profile or for bucketing yourself as a good product management candidate at the Indian School of Business. The second thing you should target is your letter of recommendations. So the Indian School of Business application demands an LOR or maybe more LORs from your direct colleagues, managers of the company that you last worked in. If you have been an entrepreneur, then you can probably get some of your client or some of your partner to give you the LOR. Now the LOR should have some mentions of how you had this knack for understanding the customer pain points, how you solved certain problems of the client, of the customers by making changes in the product strategy or the product features. It should also talk about how you had this knack for communicating with people and getting the problems solved. Firstly, identifying the different viewpoints or the perspectives of multiple stakeholders and how you were the one who balanced all of that and then converted into a vision for a product. So those things have to be reflected in the LOR content that you get. The third thing is about how to write the essays. Now, there will be 2 essays that you'll be asked to submit in the Indian School of Business application. Both of these essays, one of them will ask you about your career plan and how ISB fits into it and how ISB will help you actually unlock that, which I've also talked about in the previous 2 and the coming bucket. But the second essay will be about how you're going to contribute to the diversity element of the cohort and how you're going to just in general contribute to the richness of the cohort that is there at ISB. And to this, your answer should be revolving around how you have worked on certain elements of a product manager and how they also make you a very unique fit into the cohort, where you have the understanding of being empathetic towards your customers, your stakeholders. So in a way, for your cohort also, you're going to be very empathetic. You have a curiosity about whys of a product, so you will be curious about whys of a subject or of a course. In your study group, you will have a very diverse thinking as compared to your fellow peers who will be coming from maybe engineering backgrounds, marketing backgrounds, consulting backgrounds. So you will have maybe a bit of all of those, but you'll also have this striking balance between these fields because you've worked as a product manager or you have done the things that a product manager does and you want to do more of them with the designation of a PM or in your dream company. So this is the case you should be making in your essays. You should also focus on specifically mentioning the tools, the skills, and the kind of geographies that you have worked on and that you have the desire to work on post ISB. So your focus should be very clear on what you have done pre-ISB, which will help you land the product manager role and what you desire to do after you land that product manager role after ISB. Interview. Now, if let's say you get shortlisted for the interview, there is a personal interview for the Indian School of Business admission process. Once you go there, you will be asked questions based on your resume, the work you've done, and because you will have bucketed your experience in the product management buckets, you will very easily be able to make a case for going into or transitioning into a product management role, or if your existing experience or your previous work ex was in the product field, then it will make a stronger case for you. Prove yourself as a very prime PM candidate choice when you are at the Indian School of Business, right? So that way you can cohortize yourself right from the start. But how you should approach the interview is by basically storytelling about how you identified a certain problem, how you talked to a lot of customers, how you ran focus interviews with them, how you yourself felt empathetic towards the customer pain points, and how you sat with your teams, brainstormed on ideas, sat with your engineers, developers, communicated that idea and the pain point to the engineers, and then came up with this product or feature or system, any small solution that you came up with, and how you executed it right from the conceptualization stage to the final product shipping stage. So this is going to show your hands-on work experience and your story about how you have worked in product management fields and how you can easily get the support of Indian School of Business to actually land a role that you will be happy with. And ISB interviews, they mainly check whether you have genuinely done what you are mentioning, whether you have the potential of cracking the dream roles that ISB is a platform for. And the third thing is how you're going to contribute to the overall cohort or the overall batch size, right? So these are the 3 pointers on which you will be judged, and these are the kind of points you have to prove whenever you are approaching the interviews from a PM lens. The last thing is, so all of these will be evaluated very carefully by the ISB admissions committee, and if you focus on all of these factors, I assure you will get a convert. And I also assure you that if you have put so much thought into your pre-admissions or admissions profile, then you will definitely be much more serious and direction oriented once you are at ISB. And trust me that for a product manager role, more than your pedigree, more than your qualifications, more than your work experience, what matters more at the Indian School of Business is how prepared are you. You don't need to be a developer, you don't need to be a tech person, you can be anything that you have been, but then you have to show that you are willing to learn, you understand the nuances of a product development process or a product life cycle, you understand the nuances of a product shipping and a product delivery, you understand how the customers communicate, whether they say directly what they want and whether they mean it, or whether there are some hidden implications into that. So a lot of these factors will come into you only if you apply with that vision in your mind. And this video is for those who have already decided that they want to become a product manager and they are going to ISB or any other B school specifically for landing that kind of a role. I will do further such videos for other roles also, so do stay tuned. And now here is the very special surprise that I have for you all. So my friends from ISB have launched a website called Preppie.in, Preppie. I'll link the details in the description box. This website is specifically for the aspirants who wish to join premium B schools like ISB. We have offered a platform for you to connect with real alumni of the Indian School of Business, and here you have the assurity that you're going to get insights that you get from a person like me or my fellow peers who have been through this journey very recently and who know what works and what does not work. So if you register there, if you sign up there using my coupon code, here is the coupon code, then you get a 20% discount on the sign up cost. The charges are anyway very nominal for you to make your career but still we have collaborated to give you guys some more discount because we do realize the importance of savings. Prices that they charge are very less as compared to the ones charged by professional companies. So make sure that you sign up there. Make sure that you comment below if you found my video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber already. We are growing strong and I have many plans to boost up this channel to give you free and legitimate content. So please support me and please do sign up on Preppie. You have the assurance of talking to people who have just graduated from the Indian School of Business and who have complete visibility into what is going on in the market currently. They are very recent grads, so they know what is going on in the college, they know what's going on in the market, they know the placement process, they know the admission shortlist process. So it will help you a lot in ensuring that your chances for cracking the ISB interview are way more higher. Do leave your feedback on the comment section. How did you find this video? What would you like me to make videos on? I know I'm just asking for a lot, but seeing that I have over 1,000+ subscribers really motivates me and pushes me to create more such content. If you enjoyed this video, then please like it. I hope you stay safe and I wish you all the best in your journey. You can visit my website khanjandesai.com where I have some more details for you to directly communicate with me. Stay safe, take care. Bye.